So there are two different types of sampling techniques in research: probability and non-probability. Non-probability means that the sampling group will not have an equal chance of being selected. Probability means that the sampling group does have an equal chance of being selected.
The first type of non-probability sampling is convenience sampling. This is when a researcher finds participants to be in the research because they're easy to recruit. So an example would be going into a classroom and selecting the first 5 students that are in the class. And the second type of non-probability sampling is snowball sampling, which is having someone refer another person to be in the study. So for an example, if you're studying prostitution, you would have the research participant refer another prostitute to be in the study.
And then the next one is a quota, which basically means that you would be deferring populations accurately. So an example would be if someone wants to study college education in a 4-year period, the sampling would be 100 students. It would be 25 students per year. For example, it would be 25 freshman year, 25 sophomore year, 25 junior, and 25 senior year. That way it would be equally throughout the study. And then the next one is the criteria, which means that you have to meet a certain criteria for a research study. An example would be if someone's looking to study drug abuse in participants, they would have to find someone who is currently using drugs or has used drugs in the past.
Okay, so the first example for probability is simple. This means basically it's the most simple form or technique in probability sampling. It's typically random numbers or computer-generated numbers of the sampling population. For example, if a social work professor wanted to know social work students' perceptions on drug addiction, they would have all the social work majors' name on a list, and then the computer would randomly generate which students would be selected.